The broadcasters have always tried to extend their role up and down the value chain, and essentially broadcasters in the UK and certainly around the world tend not to have the skills, the expertise, or frankly the access to the kind of cash that's required to build entire broadcasting systems on their own. And probably the only good example of that in Europe is that the BBC built its own transmission network in the early days. So for them, I think coming together to create a platform is the only real cost-efficient way of doing that, and they've got, in this case, the backing of two major ISPs to support them. And I think for them, it's about securing the point of access into content on screen, right? So it's about the BBC ITV brand in the UK, or it would be NBC or whoever in the States, being the brand that people choose to view content through, rather than handing that relationship with the consumer over to a neutral third-party platform owner. And that's really what they care about. Only the actual means of distribution, less important. You rely on ISPs or broadcast networks to provide that, and you pay rent for access. And I think there's an interesting question over time as to whether or not distribution networks themselves are a commodity or have incredible strategic value. And I guess one of the things YouView does is it says, well, look, if we can use IP as a distribution platform, which, putting aside debates around net neutrality and so forth, should be a relatively open distribution platform, there isn't a bottleneck there. But for the broadcasters, owning that interstitial page, the relationship with the consumer prior to consuming the content, incredibly important and valuable.